Meanwhile, a mother is speaking out after her daughter was left hospitalized following an alleged brawl with a male student at the Edwin Allen High School on Thursday. As Anthony Lugg reports, the mother is livid that school administrators failed to disclose the graveness of the situation.
No, me I talk to you, me really angry.
A mother in distress hours after her daughter was rushed to hospital following an alleged brawl with a male student at the Edwin Allen High School in Clarendon.
Me not telling a lie. Cause me down here at hospital and them they are in bed asleep and me down here. How me feel about that?
The mother was at home when she received a call from school administrators informing her that her daughter was involved in an incident.
She say an incident happened. So me ask her what kind of incident happened. She say my daughter was in a fight and she get a lick in her head, but it's nothing serious cause she no see no swelling or anything.
Moments later, she received another call. It's when she knew something had gone wrong.
When she called me back, she said to me that I must meet her at the hospital.
Though fearful, she left home. While on her way, she made several calls only to find out her daughter was still at school.
When I reach at the school, I go up to the nurse quarter. When I went to the nurse quarter, I didn't see my daughter at the same time. So the nurse came out and I said to her, I am Monique's sweet mother. And she said, Lord Jesus, see mother come and I never want the mother to come. The mother never to come. So I said, I want to know what happened to my child. And she said she did in a fight and she tell me that the little boy, when she in the fight with, him push her down and she hit her head and from that she not conscious.
The child underwent a series of tests including a CT scan. She was subsequently released from hospital and is home resting. Her mother, however, is restless. TVJ News has been informed that a report is being prepared by the school to be sent to the board and the Ministry of Education. The mother is also expected to meet with the principal. The incident comes on the heels of several fights in schools. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.